I think I got stuck there. Wait up.
Dan's Hilux with the dogs, Sprinter, and just doing some packing up in the caravan. Bring that to get in the buggy. This is the back of the Hilux. Bailey and Kylo, what do you guys reckon? They're tired. This is Naf and the Iveco, kitchen stuff here. Got the awning out, all the cooking stuff, some drinking water. Works pretty good. This is the camp kitchen, pretty standard. Oh, we got some Jasper rocks. You can see on the pole December 2020. That's where the flood mark came up from the river right down in the back. 0.8 of a metre there. So it's gone even all the way up the hill there a little bit as well. Anyway, there's some geologists camping here, some students. They're all in tents. They got a couple of 4-wheel drives, 2 barbecues, some chairs here, sink. Now I've no idea what this is. It says the Blackstone Carter's Paint and Oil Engine. I don't know much about anything really. Google tells me there was 2,700 made worldwide around 1905, mainly for pumping spring water. Was made portable and used in farming. This is the river crossing, get into the caravan park. Once again, all dried up. Some people are putting their generators in here, just so they're not in the campground and running long extension cords. River crossing right here before you go into the caravan park. And the entry sign. Nice little caravan park, a little bit of grassed area, which is pretty good because we've stayed in a few dirt ones where there's no grass at all. Just go up here and have a look at this old vehicle that was from World War II, converted into a bull chaser or bull catcher or something. Hello, how are you? Yeah, good. Anne's got it all ready and cleaned up, ready to leave tomorrow.
It's a good setup, ain't it?
Oh yeah, it's alright. At least it holds it nice and level. It'll go on there.
Oh yeah, we'll get that.
Yeah.
Clear roads too.
Yeah.
I've seen the old ones here.
Hey.
The old ones in your room.
Put that in the road.
These are very tough ones.
No, I think that was an army one.
I'll take you for a day around Marble Bar, starting here at the Comet Gold Mine Museum and Comet gold mine across the road, which was founded in 1936 but no longer in operation. Then take a drive down an off-road track towards Firefox Lookout to check out the hills and scenery. Stop off at another dried up riverbed, check out the horse racecourse, scoot around the caravan park, take you down the main street, and finishing up at the pub for dinner. What's this? Is this the Jasper? Is
Nah, Tiger Eye. Yeah, which it's cousin to the Jasper anyhow.
Okay.
And it's also cousin to Iron Ore.
Oh, okay, so it's just
Yeah, because that's where you get like further down. You see that one there? That's Tiger Iron.
Yep.
That big one down the bottom there.
Yep.
It's quite attractive, that stuff.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, the Tiger Eye is a little bit more rarer than the actual Tiger Iron.
Yep.
But the Tiger Eye, yeah, I don't know, it seems pretty to me.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, if you like stones, that is.
Yeah.
See, but
What about this stone here?
that's Mookertite, which comes from Gascoigne, but that's what they call the plain stuff, because it comes in a lot of different, a lot of colours through it.
Yep.
And it's the only place in the world that you can get it is, well, where it's mined is Western Australia, down at Gascoigne.
I've just gone out for a stroll, and I'm going to go down to the very entry of town, and I'll take you all the way down to the other end of the main street. I've just left the caravan park. I can't go any further because this is the cattle grid. I could probably get my front wheels over there, but my back wheels will get stuck for sure. So that's the entry into town. And this is heading into town. So we'll cruise up this way and we'll go all the way to the other ends and stop at points of interest. Traveller's Rest, the only place in town to get diesel. A couple of cars lined up this side, a couple of cars lined up the other side. I think I'm going to go in for a bottle of water. About little truck stop. Get what you need. Fast food, supplies, oils. We'll just cruise on down the side of the road here. There's not much traffic coming into town. I'll just show you off to the left. Right, let's keep going. Another 500 metres, we're almost in town. Over to the right here, you'll see some satellite dishes over there in the distance. Alright, we'll keep cruising into town here. There you go, mate. Yeah, not bad. I'm just cruising to the end of town. East Pilbara Shire Council Civic Centre. We'll continue our way down the main street here. Marble Bar Heritage Trail. It was constructed as memorial to the lonely graves of the early pioneers in the Pilbara region. Just across the street here, we've got the Ironclad Hotel, a local pub. Just going to see what time this place opens. I think we're going to grab a pub meal here on the last night. The hotel's part of the Marble Bar social life in 1893. Named after the Ironclad lease, granted in 1891. Back across the street, the Bar General. This is a local grocery shop. And the post office and camping equipment. This is the Marble Bar War Memorial. A local jasper rock. And the memorial here. There's these white cockatoos here. Just chilling out, feeding. Go across the creek here, bottom end of town. Up on the left here is a museum. And this is the museum. It's an old tunnel trolley. I'd say that's for taking the dirt out, so they can sift through it for gold. Corrugated iron curver, tank making. Okay, to make the outsides of water tanks. This is another tunnel trolley. Here. The old phone exchange. equipment.
This must have been all that World War II airstrip out there.
Oh yeah.
Thank you very much.
Bacon and ham and onion and all that other shit. You just load it up.
Good night. I'll see you guys in the morning. Yeah, that'll do.